Hi, my name is Damien and welcome to CTM. Currently, I'm at CTM Lonial and I want to show you a timeless wood look tile that is exclusive only to CTM. This is called our Fynbos Grey. So it actually originates in the Western Cape and you're actually producing those beautiful colors and bringing those colors to your home. So let me show you some of the details of this particular tile. So as you can see, there is certainly different faces in the tile to give you that timeless effect, and it brings out elegance because of the beautiful wood look features within this particular tile. But the nice thing about this tile is it can blend with most trends and most colors and most furniture that you're putting into your house. This is certainly one of our good sellers. And I'm just going to show you the tile even in a little bit more person. This is the particular tile. You can see the tile is almost half my size. It's a beautiful shaped tile to produce that wood look. If you can feel the tile, have a listen. It's smooth with a little bit of roughness. It's very strong and it's very hard wearing. So you can see, even in the style, you can even see the detail of the veins to reduce the wood look. And it's quite smooth, as you can see. So it's very flat. So if you really like this style as much as I do, please add it to your cart, go to our CTM website, and we really can get this beautiful wood look tile to your home. Thank you.